Section 2, subsection 6, associate company defines in relation to another company means a company in which that other company has a significant influence but which is not a subsidiary company of the company having such influence and includes a joint venture company. So what is its meaning? An associate company is a company that another company has significant influence over, but it is not its subsidiary. But it's not its subsidiary. It also includes a joint venture. So key points to understand that significant influence means what? Means a control of at least 20% of the total voting power or control over business decision under an agreement. But the company is still independent. It is not controlled like a subsidiary. Not a subsidiary means in a subsidiary, the parent company controls more than 50% of voting power of the composition of the board. An associate company has influence, not control. While the joint venture company, a company in which two or more parties agree to undertake a business together and share profits, losses, and control according to an agreement. A joint venture automatically falls under the definition of an associate company. Example, Case 1, associate company. Company A holds 25% of the shares of the company B. Company B runs independently, but company A can influence major decisions. Company B is an associate company of the company A. Case number 2, which is not an associate company. Company A holds 55% shares in company B. Here B becomes a subsidiary, not an associate company. Case 3, joint venture associates. Company A and company B from company C together, each owing 50%. Company C is a joint venture and is also considered an associate companies of both A and B. In short, an associate company is like a business partner company where you have a strong say 20% or more voting power, but you don't fully control it like a subsidiary.